Mr. Colgate. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is you're watching this video. Today, we're with Smiley. And we gotta rip the tint off, so we're about to go do that. Had a big brush fire on Interstate. Interstate shut down. Traffic's terrible. But went to go Family Dollar, Dollar Tree didn't have the razor blades, so we had to go get some razor blades. And we're about to rip the tint off because I'm sick and tired of the gate guards messing with me. Like, always messing with me. Only me though, just only me out of the whole world. So we're about to go outside, get the bugs off the truck first because it's filthy, and we're gonna go rip the tint off. G'day mate, it's golden hour, eh? It is golden hour right here on the Bobby. Alright, so see what happens is you have a tint windshield and people are gonna mess with you. So literally just gonna come in here, and from here on down, gonna take that out. Shouldn't need to cut it too much, just besides the stickers, and hopefully it'll still be dark. If not, I'm just gonna double 5 this one, that one, that one, and then obviously the back rest as well. And then if it still doesn't look too bad, probably just gonna take this off and then put a whole layer of 50 on it, so a light ceramic, like sun protected tint. And then when I get this redone in black, it's still gonna make it look darker as well. So no need to stress about too much. Should be all right. But we got some updates. We got some mods for the truck. We got some Colgate. That goes right here. That's my favorite mod. And we got these. These are going in as well. Okay. More distractions. That's all I like. I love being distracted while I drive. It's probably my favorite thing to do. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, and another thing that happened as well, what happened, my exhaust hanger broke at work, so I just needed to actually put it down under. So what we were planning on doing to begin with was doing that right there at Andrew's house. And now we got it. So I took the 90 to piece and took the hanger from the outside and then unclamped it and all that good stuff, and I just literally clamped it back on there at work. So if y'all hear what that sounds like, it sounds the same, low-key. I mean, it really does, but it just looks a lot better. So we say, what? We evacuating? Come on. Say,
do we really have to?
Say it louder.
No.
We gotta pack our stuff up. Leaving his pajamas. This ain't Noah's real.
Christians.
What?
Do I really have to evacuate?
Yeah, get your stuff. Let's go. Okay, so starting the process here, dude. It's not even going that well. I did a good job with this. I know that. Because I did this myself. I'm the best there is. I'm the best ever. No lettering. Oh my god. This is what we got the razor blade for. The razor boy. Okay. Okay. So we got it started. As you can obviously see, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slightly rip it. Ever so slightly. And keep prying on the inside when you're doing it. That always helps. And then you're just going to repeat that process from bottom to top. Okay, if you ever wanted to know what 20% is versus 0 tint, that's the difference right there. That's 20% on the windshield. And I hear you. Now I do, you heard? Okay, so like I said, that is gonna be really trash. But that's okay. I mean, we're gonna live through it, and we're gonna get some more tint, and we can't be tintless, so we gotta get more tint soon. So I'm not crying, mate. You're crying. Oh yes. Fan-freaking-tastic. Gotta love the Marine Corps. Gotta love it. The haberdashery. What are you doing over there? Oh, take it with you. Thank you.
That's a big old piece. That's like the whole windshield.
Well, Michaela ruined the flawless process. It's okay though. I'll forgive her. I mean, she's trying her best to get it out. But there's a little piece right there at the corner. So getting that out, and then yeah, and then we're gonna be bald. So let me show you what it looks like now. For those who care, like what taking tint off does, it makes it look stupid. Like in my opinion, it makes it look dumb. Like look at this. I can see literally every freaking thing going on right now, and I hate it. And yeah, my dip's coming off right there. Don't roast me too hard in the comments. Bugs everywhere, you know. Just a farm truck. 10 of them just fell off. It's gold now. If the truck didn't have any bugs on it, I mean, perfect place to take some pictures. We're about to try and get something to eat here in a little bit, but the interstate shut down from a big old fire, so we don't even know if we're going to be doing that here too. Your hand got stuck?
My hair got stuck in the sticker.
Oh. New Yeti though, boys. Oh, still got the eyes. Nice. Now we're gonna get these bugs off. We're gonna get the bugs off. Whoa, Kimosabe? Oh, Neptune.
All I know, I'm a motherfucking legend. It's so great for my city. I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know